CIBC Aventura Gold Visa Card Review. Pricing. Explain what you get for your money. The CIBC Aventura Gold Visa Card isn't just another travel credit card. You won't believe the perks packed into it. Most people get this wrong by focusing only on the points rate. The surprising truth is the card offers a blend of travel rewards, purchase protection, and flexible redemption options that make it valuable for everyday use too. Pricing includes an annual fee with interest rates around 19.99% for purchases if not paid in full. Points are earned at 5 points per on groceries, gas and dining, and 1 point per on other purchases. Points can be redeemed for flights, hotels, gift cards, or statement credits. Additional perks include travel insurance, purchase protection, and extended warranties, which add real-world value beyond points accumulation. Most people get this wrong by comparing only the points rate to other cards. The real value comes from redemption flexibility, travel coverage, and benefits like rental car insurance and price protection. Frequent travelers often recoup the annual fee in just one international trip thanks to these perks. In conclusion, CIBC Aventura Gold Visa Card pricing balances an annual fee with extensive rewards and protections. By understanding points earning, redemption options, and additional card benefits, you go from zero to pro in evaluating whether this card delivers strong value for both travel and everyday spending.